Turning yung engine 7V31 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well, the alternator here, very nice, very good. And the starter also good. From this side, everything's good. Didn't see any damages, only this one, yeah, damage, if you can see. But from this side, everything is good. All the turbo also good, no damage, no broken, very nice. And down here, the oil sum and the gearbox also good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.